Good morning students, we will continue competency number 8.4 and the last topic of this competency is dietary advice in coronary artery disease. So such type of questions are asked. So diet plays a very important role in heart health. The primary goal of the diet in heart disease is to manage cholesterol level, blood pressure, weight and reducing the inflammation. For this purpose, following points should be kept in mind while prescribing the diet in the coronary artery disease. Increase intake of healthy fat, increase intake of dietary fibers, eat fruits and vegetables, reduce salt intake, limit added sugars, restrict intake of red meat, take plant-based proteins, control calorie intake, limit alcohol consumption, hydration, exercise, and last, consult registered dietitian. So these points we will study one by one. First is intake of healthy fat. Fats with polyunsaturated fatty acids should be taken. They help to reduce the LDL cholesterol and increase the HDL cholesterol. Rich sources of polyunsaturated fatty acids are olive oil, avocado, nuts, fish fat, seeds, etc. Next healthy fat is omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids lowers the risk of coronary artery disease by reducing the inflammation. They are found in walnuts and fish. Here the inflammation of blood vessels. Consumption of saturated fats increases LDL cholesterol level and risk of atherosclerosis. Therefore, it should be avoided. They are present in red meat, dairy products, butter, etc. Next, increase intake of fibers. Dietary fibers lowers LDL cholesterol and decreases the risk of coronary artery disease. Daily intake of 25 to 30 grams of dietary fibers are advised. The good sources of dietary fibers are oats, barley, legumes, whole grains, brown rice, vegetables, fruits like apples, oranges, etc. Next point is eat fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables provides vitamins, mineral, antioxidants and also fibers. They help to reduce the blood pressure and inflammation. They also provide potassium which is beneficial to the heart. Next, fourth point is reduce salt intake. High salt intake increases the blood pressure and increases the risk of coronary artery disease. Daily consumption of sodium should be restricted to less than 2.5 grams. Sodium rich food should be avoided like processed and packed food where more sodium is added for as a preservative, pickles, papads, etc. Fifth point is limit added sugars. Sweet, sugary drinks should be avoided. Excess intake of sugar results into obesity, increased LDL cholesterol and high risk of coronary artery disease. Sixth point is restrict intake of red meat and processed meat. Red meat like pork, beef, lamb and processed meat like bacon, sausage should be avoided as it contains more saturated fatty acids which contribute to the heart disease. Take plant-based proteins. Plant-based proteins are good for heart as they contain fibers and less saturated fatty acids. Control calorie intake. It is essential to maintain weight and lipid profile in normal range. Limit alcohol consumption. Heavy alcohol drinking leads to increase in the blood pressure, increases the risk of stroke. Also, it increases the risk of heart failure. Next point is hydration with healthy beverages. Dehydration leads to decreased blood volume and sluggish circulation. Water is the best hydrating beverage or agent. Avoid sugary drinks like soda, energy drinks, soft drinks and caffeinated drinks. 11th point is exercise. Moderate exercise for 30 minutes daily is recommended. It maintains weight in control, lowers blood pressure, reduces LDL cholesterol. And last point is consult registered dietitian for personalized diet to address the specific situation. So this is about the diet in coronary artery disease. Thank you very much.